In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the appearance of your Booksy page on the Booksy scheduling platform. Customizing your business appearance on Booksy is a crucial part of establishing your brand identity, so let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Booksy business website. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for Booksy Business in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, take a glance at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the login button. Click on it to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the business settings icon, which usually looks like a gear. Clicking on this icon will open up several options. Here, you'll want to select the business details tab. In this section, click on the business name and info area. This is where you can create a catchy and memorable name for your business, something that encapsulates what you offer and sets you apart. Be sure to craft a compelling description as well, detailing what makes your business unique. Once you've updated this information, don't forget to click the Save button to store your changes. Now let's move on to visual customization. Head back to the business details section and find where it says Profile Images. When you click on this, you'll have the opportunity to upload a captivating logo and cover photo that visually represent your brand. You can also include images of your workspace and staff to give potential clients a feel for the atmosphere and people they'll be interacting with. Imagery can speak volumes about your business and contribute significantly to your client's first impression. Once you've got your visuals set, it's time to set up your services. Navigate back to business settings, then click on services setup, and within this menu, choose services and combo services. What you'll want to do next is organize these services to your liking. Look for the drag and drop handle next to each service. It generally appears as 3 horizontal lines. Click and drag these to rearrange the order, ensuring your most popular or important services are easily accessible to your clients. After your services are neatly arranged, return to your profile section. There, look for the eye icon located next to the Share Profile option. Click on the eye icon to preview your booking page. This allows you to see all your customizations, your business name, the description, profile images, and service list as they'll appear to clients. It's your chance to verify that everything looks just as you want it before going live. With these customizations, your Booksy page will be both aesthetically pleasing and functional, providing your clients with an exceptional browsing and booking experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide proves helpful in showcasing your business's unique character and offerings on Booksy.